Okay, so today we're looking at quick riff number 11, which looks and sounds like this. So this is a really cool pattern that I like to use for pentatonic scales all the time. And if you understand the idea behind the sequence, it's actually pretty straightforward and not too hard once you know how to do it to move it to any of the pentatonic shapes that you're familiar with. So the idea is I'm in A minor pentatonic, shape 1, everyone's favorite shape, and I'm on the last string, the high E string, and playing forward through the string. So the last two notes of the scale in order, going up. So once you've done your first two notes going up like that, the idea now is to roll to the B string, the next string that comes next. Now some people might like to use a different finger for that. I like to do the roll. And then after that, you try to do the same exact thing again. You play up through the E string and then go down to the first note of the next string as opposed to where we did before. So you go up, last note of this string, you go up, first note of this string. And that's the whole pattern. And then once you do that, you just do it on every set of strings. So now we're on the B string. We go up the string, we go down to the last note on the next string, do it again, to the first note on the next string. Now we have and now we start from here, up the string, down to the last note of this string, do it again, down to the first note of the string. Now on this string, up, down to the last note of this string, do it again, first note of that string, up this string, last note of this string, again, first note of the string. So when you put it all together very slowly, it looks like this. That's what it would look like on shape 1 pentatonic. And just to give you a quick example, even though it's not in the PDF, you could apply this to any of the other 5 shapes. So if I move down to shape 5 and run the same idea of going up the last string, down to the last of this string, do it again, to the first of this string, and then just keep following the pattern. That's quick riff number 11. Give it a shot.